In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by most recent on Facebook Marketplace, whether you're hunting for a unique treasure or looking to snag a great deal before anyone else. Mastering the art of filtering by most recent can make your shopping experience much more efficient on this popular platform. First, let's start by opening Facebook. Now, that might seem like an obvious step, but it's essential to mention it. Head over to the Facebook website or open your app on your device of choice. If you need, take a moment to log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to navigate to the Facebook Marketplace. The Marketplace icon is typically located on the menu bar, represented by a small storefront symbol. Clicking on it will bring you to the Marketplace homepage where you can start exploring all sorts of listings, from everyday items to unique finds. Now that you're in the marketplace, it's time to search for what you're interested in buying. This is your opportunity to enter a specific item, such as bicycle or lamp. Be as descriptive or as concise as you like, as this will help narrow down the listings to what you're specifically looking for. After typing your query into the search bar, go ahead and hit enter or click the magnifying glass icon to see the results. With your results now on display, finding the most recently listed items is our next task. Direct your attention to the top of the results page. Here, you'll see a tab or a filter option labeled Sort By or something similar. Click on this option and a small menu will appear. One of the choices you'll see is Date Listed. Select Date Listed to rearrange your search results so they show the most recent items first. By filtering listings in order of when they were posted, you ensure you're seeing the latest items available, which can be particularly useful in snagging those hot ticket items before anyone else. This tip can be a game changer, especially if you're on the hunt for something specific and want to be the first to see new posts. Now, you're all set to scan through the freshest listings with ease, making your shopping experience on Facebook Marketplace much more enjoyable and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned marketplace enthusiast or a first-timer looking for deals, filtering by the most recent is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your search. Thanks for tuning in and best of luck finding those special items on Facebook Marketplace. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks. Happy shopping!